Hi everyone, for today's tutorial, I'll show you how to cut, trim, and merge clips in seconds with the HitPaw Edimakor. It's a beginner-friendly and perfect for cleaning your footage and combining the clips into one seamless video. Let's get started. First, go to your HitPaw Edimakor application and create a new project or open an existing one. Then, drag your video clips into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Then for the cutting clips, to cut the video clip, move the playhead to where you want to make the cut. Click the scissors icon or press the Ctrl plus B to split the clip at that point. And now you can delete or either move a half as needed. And for trimming clips, to trim unwanted parts, start or end clip, hover over to the edge of the clip on the timeline until you see a double-sided arrow. Click and drag inward to trim off the parts you want. Then there's a pro tip. You can zoom in onto the timeline for the precise trimming by adjusting the slider in the bottom right corner. And for merging clips, to merge the clips together, simply drag and drop the multiple clips into your timeline, placing them next to each other in order you want. Then hit play preview to merge the video. You can add a smooth transition between merged clips by clicking the transition tab and dropping a transition effects between them. And once you're happy with your cut, trim, and merge video, click the export button in the top right corner and choose the preferred video format and resolution. And that's it. That's how you can cut, trim, and merge your video clips in just few seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.